Patrick from Miami says, question for Bradley. What would happen if you added affiliate CPA banners with the banner links set to NoFollow to your expired domain rebuilds? Would it compromise using them for backlink purposes? No, it shouldn't. That's a good idea. One of the things I do with my, now this wouldn't, for your purposes, if you're getting real traffic to those expired domain rebuilds, then yeah, absolutely. Why not? Because then you can monetize it, right? You get, you know, you could build, you could even do list building, put a form on there, right? Like an affiliate offer and all that kind of stuff. You could build lists and everything else. Now, the sites that I'm rebuilding, I'm not technically trying to rank those rebuilt pages. I'm using them for SEO purposes, but I do run CTR, click-through traffic. So I'm doing click-through manipulation through those because I do run traffic through all my tier 1 rebuilds so that my clients' target assets are getting referral traffic through those links, which makes those links that much more valuable. So in other words, if I build, you know, like 6 rebuilt domains as tier 1 links, and they're linking to the 3 tier 0 assets, which would be the location landing page or the money site, the Google business website, and the Google map, right? Those are what I call the 3 tier 0 assets. Then I'll set up CT click-through manipulation campaigns that will go visit the HTML pages, find one of the links, it just does it randomly, one of the links on the page, money site, GB website, or GB map, and click through that link and then dwell on that page. And, you know, sometimes depending on what settings I have, it'll go click through another link on that page. So an internal page on the money site, or click a GB post on the Google business website, or click the tap to call button or something like that on the Google map. So it's a referral engagement signal. Because here's the thing, guys, links atrophy over time. If they have no engagement, no activity on them, they can atrophy over time, right? Which means they become less valuable over time if there's no activity signals. Or click activity, basically. If the page itself is not receiving traffic that the link is on, then it can't get any click activity, and that link becomes less valuable over time. I don't know at which rate, the link decay, I don't know which, I'm sure it probably varies depending on, you know, the site itself, like how much traffic the site gets, and all kinds of other variables. But if the page is getting traffic, then that link will atrophy slower, even if it's not getting click activity, because the page itself is receiving traffic. But if you can get click-through activity from the page receiving traffic, and in a percentage of at least of the traffic that it receives clicks through that link remains stronger, right? It doesn't lose its value. So that's why I do that. It's just kind of an ad, and that doesn't cost anything extra for my link building clients. I just do it on tier 1 links that I rebuild, or my rebuilt domains. We send click-through activity through those links, makes them more valuable. So anyway, yeah, do that. I mean, if it's NoFollow, it won't bleed any SEO juice, right? So there's no reason why you couldn't do that. If you're getting real, and by the way, you could try to rank those pages. We're just doing it strictly for the link purpose. But if you put a really well-tuned article on there, like, you know, you do your research and you develop a really well-tuned article for whatever keyword is you're targeting, or go after long tail stuff, right? Develop the article for those rebuilds. Just a single site, single page HTML site's all you need, but you could develop an article for some of those long tails that is really well tuned, that can rank for long tail, that could potentially generate real natural organic traffic. So why not? Why not put banners on that, or affiliate offers, or whatever? That's a great idea. Good question.